Okay, let's go walking with the folks. I had to reset my camera last minute from nighttime to daylight. I see a dog over there. Next yard over. Hi, doggy. Kids always losing their ball in the neighbor's yard there. We used to go over there and throw back in their yard, but I stopped doing it because they don't care. They really don't care. Here we go. You guys know what you're doing? It's your 2-hour limit to walk, come on walking, and then we'll go bye-bye in a little bit. There you go. Good boy, Barkley, good boy. I gotta run through the store. They like going for rides. Come on, Lucy. I don't know what you're trying to sniff for. Trying to sniff for a pea spot? What does a pea spot smells like? Oh, I hear a neighbor dog across the street. I think she's about to find a spot there. Oh, she's gonna poo-poo. Good girl, let's see that poo-poo, Barkley. We know not to mess with that. Good girl, good girl. Hold on, Barkley got pee again. Lucy, come here. Lucy, you got that tangled again. Lucy, come on. Barkley peed over there. Girl, hey, stop. Okay. What you guys doing? See if I can get that scroll enough on the camera here. Sun's in my eyes. Oh, can you see it from here? What do you know? It's way up there. It's way up there. You'll probably sit right about there. Big old squirrel's nest. Yeah, I know what they look like now. Yeah, I was reading about it on the news. Most people think they're birds' nests, but squirrels' nests. Yep, they're dead dog. Lucy, behave. Come on, Lucy. Lucy, Lucy, don't start no trouble. Lucy, and out. There you go. That's a good doggy. That's a good doggy. Thank everybody for walking with us. Thank everybody for walking with us. You're not gonna run behind me. Get in there. Hold on, Barkley.